In this video, I'll be going over a quick overview of my August revenue for Etsy. So I have about 5 Etsy listings right now, and they're all digital downloads. They're pretty much digital papers, sort of like scrapbook paper, craft paper pad, however, they're digital downloads. So I don't have to ship anything. These are my current stats. I just took a little snippet of them. So for August 1st through 31st of 2023, I got 37 visits, 1 order, 2.7% conversion rate, and $2.99 in revenue. That doesn't include the fees and stuff, but since I don't have to ship, I think the fees aren't really that much. I think I probably get a little over $2 for total profit or something like that. I know this isn't a ton of money, but I really have not spent a lot of time on Etsy. I don't even remember when I put up my previous digital paper. I honestly just haven't had a lot of time to focus on Etsy, so this is pretty much passive income, which I'm pretty happy about. And I had a visit almost every day. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days where I didn't have a visit, but that's okay. I'm not running ads on Etsy right now or anything like that, so it made sense, and I'm not really creating more digital papers or uploading more listings, so I'm happy to just even be making a sale. And then if I scroll down here to my orders, I got 1 order on August 10th. So just that one day, but that's fine. I'm super happy to be getting even 1 order, especially since I'm not putting a lot of time and effort into Etsy right now. So I'd love to know how your Etsy journey is going. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment them below. Just please remember to be nice. I'm still pretty much a beginner when it comes to Etsy, and I'm still learning. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, and I hope that you have a great day.